get faded.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and for today's video I wanted to share this pretty bomb makeup look with you guys and also this cute hairstyle. I was recently asked to fill in 15 minutes of beauty in a Antillian TV show, and I thought this look turned out pretty bomb, so I wanted to customize it and slap it together into a little video for you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is my eyebrows. I'm doing that like everybody and their mama. I'm just filling them in with my eyebrow pomade and then cleaning them up with some concealer. And then next I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm using this yellow primer by NYX, and I just apply this all over my face with my clean fingers. With this yellow corrector by LA Pro, I'm just color correcting some dark spots that I have, and I'm blending that in with a buffing brush. Then for foundation, I'm using my MAC Fix Fluid in the shade NC45, and I'm just applying that to my face and blending that in with the same brush. And to get rid of the streaks from the brush, I'm going in with my damp makeup sponge and blending that out even more so that the look is seamless. For concealer, I'm using my LA Pro Cool Tan Concealer, and I'm just applying this under my eyes, on my forehead, and also on my cupid's bow and my chin, and I'm blending it out with my damp beauty sponge. To set the situation, I'm using my handy dandy banana setting powder by W7, and I'm just applying this all over the areas where I use the concealer, but also under my contour to make that even sharper, because we want to cut somebody with this. And then next I'm gonna go in with my Studio Fix powder by MAC, and this is in the shade NC50, and I'm just using this to contour my face. And for eyes, I'm starting off with my Painterly Paint Pot. I'm just applying this with a little brush because that gives me more control. And then I'm using some banana powder to set that as well, because this helps to blend in the eyeshadows even better. And I'm using this Throttle palette by NYX, and I'm using the orange shade first. And then I'm gonna go in with that deeper brown orangey kind of shade, and I'm applying that as well to the crease with a blending brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this liquid lingerie eyeshadow situation, and I'm applying this all over my lid. On the outer corner of the lid, I'm using the shade Funny from the Nude Dude palettes by The Balm, and I'm just applying this and just blending it in to the top. And yeah, I'm just making sure that it looks seamless. And then next I'm gonna go in with the shade Fit, I believe, and I apply this to the inner corner of my eyes just to make the look a little more shimmery on the inner corners. Then with a clean blending brush, I'm making sure to blend everything so that everything transitions into each other. And for the bottom part of my eye, I'm using that darker brown kind of shade from the Throttle palette, and I'm just connecting my bottom lashes to the top part of the eye look. For eyeliner, I use my liquid ink eyeliner by Essence. I use this all the time, religiously, and I'm just applying a simple wing with this. For lashes, I'm using some Ardell Wispies. I used these before, so that's why I didn't show you the pack. But I am just simply applying this with some eyelash glue and going in with some eyeliner to blend them together with the eyeliner. And for a little pop of color, I'm using this blue eyeshadow pencil by Kiko, I believe. I'll link it in the description box down below. And for the tear dots, I'm using this light color also from the Throttle palette by NYX. And for a subtle brow bone highlight, I'm using the luminizer, the Betty luminizer from The Balm. I'm just applying that with a fluffy blending brush. Then next I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I'm just coating my lashes top and bottom with a layer of mascara. Then it's time to set all my makeup. I like to use the NYX Matte Finish Spray for this, and I like to go in with my blush because after some setting spray it makes it look more like skin. So I'm using the ombre blush from NYX, and this is in the shade Feel the Heat. And for highlight, I'm just using the same highlighter that I used for the brow bone, which is the Betty Luminizer by The Balm. Then for my lip pencil, I'm using the shade Orange from NYX to line my lips. And I fill in my whole lip with this so that the lipstick is longer lasting. And then I'm going in with the shade San Juan. This is a matte lip cream, also by NYX. And I'm just filling my whole lip in with this shade. And I'm touching it up with a little sponge. And then that's it. This is the makeup look. Completely finished. And for hair, I'm gonna do something really simple. So what I'm gonna do is use some gel to pull my hair up into a little bun. So I'm just applying the gel to my hair with my hands. And I'm just smoothing down all my hairs with a brush. Then I'm gonna grab it all together and tie it together with a ponytail holder. And I just try to tie it into a bun, something like this. And I grab another ponytail holder and just tie it together. The next I'm gonna smooth down my edges some more with some more gel. And I also sometimes like to go in with my toothbrush to, define those edges and make sure they are really laid. And then next I'm gonna go in with a pack of Kanekalon hair. I'm just putting it over the bun and just twisting it all the way down. Then I make sure to tie the ends with a hair tie or a rubber band. And I just wrap this all around my bun. And the end, I'm just gonna pin it down with a bobby pin. Then I'm taking a second pack of hair and I'm just tying it all over the knot that I already made. The bun, I mean. And I'm just twisting the hair all the way down and securing the ends with a rubber band. And then next, I'm making some kind of bang situation. I'm just positioning it in the way I want and pinning it down with some bobby pins. Just use as much bobby pins as you need because this cannot come down or come loose and stop you from being great. But once that is done, I like to go in with some more gel and I slick down my edges the way I want. And that's basically it. That is how simple it is to create this look. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, until next time. Bye guys!